Hello and welcome to the guide for the third animal behaviour assignment, identification of behaviours. Okay, so for this one, first task you need to choose one canine species, so that's dog, wolf, anything like that. Doesn't have to be captive or domestic, just choose one, and one primate species that show clear visual communication signals. Okay, so what you need to be able to do is show me dominance, submission, fear, aggression and stress in two animals, one canine and one primate. So use annotated diagrams. So by annotated, it's a picture or an image with arrows coming off of it, or some form of written description around the picture. What you need to be able to do is to describe the physical aspects. So for example, if it's a dog, you need to be able to say ears up, eyes pointing forward, tail up, hackles raised. You need to be able to describe each physical aspect which shows that particular behaviour, whether it's dominance, submission or fear. Okay, so second task, with reference to a captive or domesticated animal, explain in detail how you can use animal learning processes and factors influencing behaviour to train animals. So what you need to do for this task is to firstly identify the learning processes. So things like operant conditioning, classical conditioning, habituation and sensitization. Once you've given a brief description on each of those, you also need to say what kind of training can be done with each of those learning processes. So don't just tell me about the learning process, tell me about what training technique can be used with each of those learning processes. What you then also need to tell me are factors that influence behaviour. So these are factors that are going to be concerning age, environment, breed, diet and many other things, but they're just a few to get you started. So that one needs to be around 750 words, so about a page and a half, to achieve the distinction. Okay, make sure you include total page, contents page, introduction, conclusion and bibliography, and make sure you reference throughout. Any questions? Please ask.